Ever stared down your glass cooktop and wondered how tomato sauce became industrial glue? I'm Rory with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're cleaning up the battlefield. Whether it's Alfredo, beans, or something unidentifiable from last Tuesday, we'll get it off without scratching the surface. Surprisingly, most of this comes down to using the right tools and not overthinking it. You'll need a non-abrasive cloth, a basic cleaning solution, white vinegar and water does the trick, a spray bottle, a razor blade, and a putty knife. That's it. No miracle products, no drama. First, we need a cleaning solution. Nothing complicated, just grab a spray bottle and mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Simple, cheap, and it works. Now that that's ready, let's move on to cleaning the cooktop. Start with a cool cooktop. I know, sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many folks go in while it's still warm and just end up smearing the mess around. Once it's cool, give the whole surface a light spray with your vinegar solution. Let it sit for a few seconds, just enough to soften the grime, but not long enough to evaporate. Now grab the cloth and wipe off whatever wants to leave peacefully. Don't force it. Anything that's still stuck, that's where the razor blade comes in. Hold the blade at a shallow angle, about 45 degrees, and gently scrape. You're not trying to dig in. Just glide under the edge of the mess and lift. Tomato sauce tends to bake on like lacquer, but even that's no match if you keep the angle right. Got something extra stubborn? Refried beans, for example, nature's adhesive. That's where the putty knife steps in. Same rules apply, angle it low, go slow, and don't press down. Let the blade do the work. If it fights back, hit it with another spray and give it a minute. And here's a trick for those annoying crumbs and gunk that build up around the edges. Wrap your cleaning cloth around the knife blade and use a corner to dig into those tight spots. Works way better than your fingernail, and it won't leave a mess behind. This is the point most people mess it up. Literally, they get impatient, go in at a steep angle, and gouge the glass. That's the moment it fails, guaranteed. Ever wrestled with this? Drop your fix in the comments. Once you've cleared the stuck-on stuff, give it one more spray and final wipe with the cloth. At this point, you should see a streak-free shine. If not, you missed a spot. Go back and give it another pass. You'll know when it's right. The surface should feel smooth under your hand, no drag. And that's it. No special products, no gimmicks, just patience, the right angle, and a bit of vinegar. Thanks for watching, and if this saved your cooktop, or your sanity, like and subscribe. We've got more where this came from on our page and any parts you may need at AppliancePartsPros.com.